Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's see how to customize the home page in Mozilla Firefox web browser. Okay, so let's get started. So let's try to open the Mozilla Firefox. Okay, so whenever I try to open the Mozilla Firefox, so here you can see the blank page. Okay, so here it's not opening with any kind of URL. Okay, so again, if I try to open the Mozilla Firefox, so here you can see the just a tab, like here it's not opening with the any kind of website or the URL. Okay, suppose if you want to customize the home page in the Mozilla Firefox, means for that what you can do is like on the top right hand side here you can see the three lines, open application menu. So click on that particular option. So just scroll down and here you can see the settings. So once you go to the settings, so here you can go to the home. Okay, so here you can see choose what you see when you open your home page, new window or the new tabs. Okay, so here you can see home page and the new windows. Just click on this drop down option. So here you can see Firefox home default. That is a default like which what I opened just now. And here you can see the custom URL. Okay, suppose if you want any specific website to be opened whenever you try to open the Mozilla Firefox means. So here you can just use that particular uh, website or the URL. Okay, suppose if you want the google.com means like here I will just type www.google.com. Okay, so here you can just use any kind of website like now I have put google.com, and now if you suppose you open the Mozilla Firefox means like now, so now you can see like whenever I try to open the Mozilla Firefox, it is opening with the specific website that is google.com. So this is how you can just customize your Mozilla Firefox homepage. Okay, suppose if you want the blank page, that is also possible. Like now if you try to open the Mozilla Firefox, it will open with the blank page. So here you can see the blank page. Okay, so this is how you can customize the home page in the Mozilla Firefox. Okay, so this is the Firefox homepage icon. Okay, suppose if you want any specific website, as I told you, www.google.com, and here you can use the same here you can use any other website. Suppose if I take google.com, and here you can choose the specific website, use current page, that is google.com. Okay, so whenever you open the fresh Mozilla Firefox web browser, it will open with that specific URL or the website. Okay, so this is how you can just customize the home page in the Mozilla Firefox web browser. Okay, so that's all about this particular video, guys. I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you and all. Thank you. Bye bye.